Your reel is failing at a specific second, not because the content is bad, not because the algorithm ignored you, because at second 8, or second 6, or second 3, viewers made a decision to leave, and you had no idea that second existed.
So you tried something different. New audio, different caption, better posting time. Maybe one of them helped. Maybe none of them did. You cannot tell because you have no feedback loop. Without a feedback loop, every adjustment is a guess. And guessing is not a strategy. It is a plateau with extra steps.
Inside your Instagram Insights, there is a graph almost no creator is opening. It is a line chart showing exactly how many viewers are still watching at every second of your reel. Your view count tells you what happened after the reel died. This graph tells you where. There is a difference between a report card and a targeting system. The exact second the line drops is the exact second to intervene.
Before you touch and edit, you run a diagnosis. A sharp cliff in the middle of the reel is an editing problem. A gradual fade from the start is a script problem. These are completely different failures with completely different fixes. Once the diagnosis is confirmed, you build a targeted hook, placed 1 to 2 seconds before the drop, in a remade version of the reel that evades Instagram's duplicate content filter. Then you repost and read the new graph. That is the loop.
This method was documented publicly. 614 million total seconds of watch time, divided by 38 million initial plays. 16-second average watch time, sustained across 48 million plays. 2 individual reels exceeded 50 million and 45 million views. The math was challenged. It defended itself. The Retention Drop Fix Loop is a complete operational guide. 85 to 100 pages, 10 chapters. It includes the hook template library, 15 fill-in-the-blank templates across 5 hook categories, the edit versus script diagnostic worksheet, the pre-shoot differentiation checklist, the script rewrite protocol for when hooks are not enough, and a 12-column reel iteration tracker that turns every reel you post into a logged, measurable data point. Niche agnostic, works for face-to-camera, faceless, and business content.
If the system still does not produce a passing reel after 3 iterations, there is a documented escalation path and a kill criterion. You are never stuck. Every failure has a documented next action. The guide is $47, not $297, not $147. $47, the cost of a dinner, for a system documented to produce 100 million views. If it saves you from spending weeks applying editing fixes to a script problem, it pays for itself immediately.
You already know how to post. You already know how to edit. What you need is the diagnostic layer that tells you exactly what to edit. Get the Retention Drop Fix Loop at the link below. Start with your next reel.